Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 355 of me making an app to end doom scrolling to cure the phone addiction and the brain rot that we have been stuck in for however long now, and to make this better, to make going on your phone all day long not so lucrative. Honestly, I don't have much to say today. The last 3 days, I have not been working on the app. I missed 2 days of YouTube videos, which is, it's a thing. But here we are, and I just wanted to show you the app again if you're new here and explain how we've gotten here so far, or what I'm working on, what I'm doing, what I want to do next, all of these sort of things. But most importantly, how this app, which doesn't limit or block any screen time, can actually help you to scroll less on your phone. And the whole point of Curiosity Quench, it's linked down below, is if you're new here, again, to just help you scroll less on your phone and do the things that actually matter to you. To introspect a bit, to figure out what you want out of life, and then to help you go do those things. You don't need a winter arc where you leave your kids and wife and family behind to grind and figure this out. You can figure it out slowly, surely, and with a bit of effort. Effort does matter a lot. So here's how it works. Here's the idea behind that. So maybe you don't really know what you want out of life, but you know that scrolling is not one of those things you really want to do all day. If you're at that point, perfect. We're going to help you figure out some things you may want to do with your life and then ultimately figure out what you want to spend your time doing with your whole life, or with not with your whole life, just in general, okay? Let's find something fun to do. First step, find something better than scrolling to do that's more progressive and overall just better. How do you do that? Well, I made Curiosity Quench so you can try different things and figure out what that may be for you. What is something you can be interested in so much that time fades into the background, you lose track of it, and you actually have fun learning and doing the thing? We're going to find that. And you find that by trying different things, by exploring what you're curious about, saving things to your list, and then ultimately doing them. And you can do them on Curiosity Quench by swiping right on these topics and getting plans with curated content to actually do each step. This is going to help you do the steps, help you take action, help you decide if this is something that you enjoy and want to do more of or not. And if you complete the whole plan, you can add photo and notes to how it went, and then you quench it. And that's the entire app right now. I want to add a lot of things to Curiosity Quench, but I have been swarmed lately with actually trying to get users to the app and also working on a side project for myself that helps me post content to all the platforms. So I make a video for TikTok and I can post it to Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube as well at the same time without having to go on my phone manually to each one. So that's what I've been working on lately. That's how the app works now. And that's really all I have for today. Um, I don't have too much of an update, and I feel kind of bad lately because I haven't been working on the app as much. And it has been progressing really well. More people downloading because I've been putting more effort on the marketing side and the building side. But I do have a lot of plans and things I want to add to the app. I want to add images here. I want to make sure people can submit their own plans and use kind of a little bit of social interaction with each other to make plans, to make infinite plans on infinite topics. So the content here is also user generated and not just me. But that may take some time. That will take some time. However, every single day I'm going to be making effort to, one, get more users to the app and help more people, and to make the app better by thinking and ultimately coding those improvements. But it's been a bit slow lately because I'm working on something in parallel. However, I'm still here. We're still doing this. These videos are my submission to try to help just a few people. And if that works, then that is awesome. Anyways, that's really it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And we're almost at a year, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a celebration for when that happens. Yeah, it's day 355 in 10 days. It'll be day 365, so that's insane. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. I love you. Goodbye.